If you've ever walked into Nalli Fashions saying, "Show me something special," this reel is for you. From timeless color combinations to intricate motifs and grand zari work, these 5 Kanchivaram showcase the many ways tradition can be woven into silk. There's something timeless about a sari that lets the zari do all the talking. This radiant coral red Kanchivaram is woven with delicate gold zari buttas scattered gracefully across the body, adding just the right touch of elegance. The rich gold zari border lends a regal presence while the grand pallu shimmers with intricate weaving that catches the light beautifully from every angle. Classic, versatile, and effortlessly festive. This is the kind of sari that feels just as perfect for a wedding celebration as it does for a cherished family occasion. A timeless Kanchivaram that'll never go out of style. Some color combinations never lose their charm. This elegant Kanchivaram pairs a deep emerald green body with a vibrant pink pallu, creating a contrast that feels both timeless and festive. The body is woven with fine zari katam checks that add texture and subtle brilliance, while the rich zari border frames the sari beautifully. Flowing into a grand pink pallu, intricate gold zari weaving brings depth, richness, and unmistakable Kanchivaram grandeur. Finished with a striking orange selvage, every detail in this sari celebrates the beauty of traditional color play. Classic, vibrant, and effortlessly regal. This is a Kanchivaram that will turn heads for generations to come. Then there are color combinations that are woven into the very memory of a Kanchivaram. The radiant mango yellow sari is adorned with delicate zari buttas scattered across the body, lending it a subtle touch of elegance. A rich red retapete border, intricately woven with traditional zari work, frames the sari beautifully and creates a striking contrast against the vibrant yellow. Flowing into a grand red pallu, layers of intricate zari weaving adds richness, depth, and timeless charm. Bright, festive, and rooted in tradition, this is a Kanchivaram that feels right at home at weddings, celebrations, and every cherished occasion in between. Some saris make an impression long before they're draped. This Kanchivaram brings together a luminous turquoise blue body and a rich violet pallu, creating a color combination that is both vibrant and regal. Delicate zari buttas are scattered across the body, adding a subtle shimmer that beautifully complements the sari's rich silk texture. The grand violet pallu is woven with intricate zari work and adorned with majestic yari motifs, lending the sari a sense of timeless grandeur. Finished with a rich zari border that frames the sari, every detail speaks of craftsmanship, tradition, and elegance. A Kanchivaram that's bold, graceful, and impossible to overlook. Not every Kanchivaram relies on color to make an impression. This striking charcoal black sari captures attention with intricately woven peacock motifs scattered gracefully across the body, rendered in shimmering gold, silver, and copper zari. The rich dark canvas allows every motif to stand out beautifully, creating a look that is both bold and elegant. A grand gold zari pallu adds richness and depth, while the classic zari border lends the sari an unmistakable sense of Kanchivaram grandeur. Traditional in craftsmanship yet contemporary spirit, this is a sari for those who love making a statement without saying a word. Timeless, artistic, and undeniably striking. Whether you love vibrant contrasts, intricate motifs, or timeless classic, there's a Kanchivaram here waiting to become your favorite.